And now I would like to request our respected chief guest, sir, to enlighten us with his inspiring words. Please join me in welcoming him as he addresses us with his valuable insights and guidance. Sir, please.
Sri Ramakrishna Sharanam. Respected Secretary Maharaj, respected Principal Maharaj, other monks of the order, brahmacharis, teachers, non-teaching staff members, we have special guests, Mr. Seal and Mr. Bhattacharya from Senko group, parents and Vidyapit brothers. We all are enjoying today, my brothers of Vidyapit. When I was a student, we also used to do the same thing, do enjoy. But as a senior, being an ex-student, I have a small duty and I request you to be please patiently hear me. At the outset, let me congratulate my Vidyapit brothers, and I firmly state that you are now passing through the best part of your life. Yes, I emphasize, you are now passing through the best part of your life. After studies, training, etc., when you are somewhat settled in life, you will realize with each passing day and recollect the memories of Vidyapit, which will fill your heart with immense joy and happiness. By that time, you will come across many people, and then you will distinguish between the difference between yourself and others, and will conclude within you how fortunate you had been in studying at Vidyapit. When you have completed your course here and bid sayonara to our beloved Vidyapit, then remembering Vidyapit days will lead you to a state of mental cheerfulness with extreme satisfaction within yourself, because the learning and the routine you are undergoing in Vidyapit is unalloyed and pure. Not an iota of selfishness by monks and teachers can be seen, and hence the results are so effective and forceful in your lives. Please note, silently, deep impressions are being ingrained in your life. Time-tested, age-old tradition and heritage of Gurukul system of education, continuing since Ramayana days, gives enormous strength, which Swamiji thought and implemented, and we are enjoying the fruits thereof. At some point of your time in your life, you will try to bestow your gratefulness to your parents for their efforts in getting you admitted here, and the teachers who guided you to stand on your feet and face the world boldly. This reality happens invariably in all cases. A simple request from a Praktani with humble suggestion to my brothers. Spend at least 15 minutes with your parents when you are at home each day exclusively. Talk, discuss, laugh, interact, so long you get their company. Make this as part of your routine life, so long you get their blessings. Ensure that you do not hurt them in any way or say strong words to them. They should not feel that they are getting old, and hence such harsh words are spoken to them. Ashirvad of parents is very much needed so that we can lead a peaceful and happy life. Now in the outside world, touching feet of parents is on the wane. But here in Vidyapit, you are well acquainted with pranams. So before leaving home, touching feet of parents should be part of your daily life, so long you have them with you. Remember, your Vidyapit batchmates, maybe some seniors or some juniors, will be the best friends in your life, though you will come across many friends in future. As you grow up, you will try to recollect the good old days of Vidyapit, and that will give you inspiration from within to forge ahead and do good to others. This is the beauty of this sacred place. Real happiness is helping others. So be a friend to world at large by looking beyond yourself. Mind it, service above self. By lending your hand and leading the way will give our country the required thrust. Be a gift to the world and serve to change lives. Let us not forget mankind is one. Build bridges of friendship. Inspire and motivate whosoever comes to you as peace comes through service. Try to acquire the best out of your stay in Vidyapit. Here, each and everyone will extend care and guidance so that you become a manhoos, a conscious human being. Swamiji says, each one of us are potentially divine, so need is to cultivate in being and becoming. Sincere thanks to all of you in allowing to share my thoughts, and I enjoyed your company. Jai Sri Sri Thakur Ma and Swamiji.
On the behalf of everyone present here, I would like to thank respected sir for his enlightening words. Thank you, sir, for gracing us with your wisdom and presence.